welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to make your own orange lightening glycerin. So guys, you can use oil to make yours, but I use glycerin because glycerin is so moisturizing. So guys, this glycerin, this orange lightening glycerin, is going to take care of your dark spot, your pigmentation, is going to take care of your scars if you have pimples or if you have skin discoloration. This is going to take care of those stuff, guys. It's going to give you a glowing and clear skin like mine. Yeah, guys, and for my subscribers, I say thank you for your support, thank you for everything. I love you all like mad. Okay guys, if you want to know how I make this glycerin, come with me. Let's go to my kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to make yours. Yeah, how to make yours. Okay guys, hope you love my makeup done by me and my hair done by me. I did this yesterday night. I didn't sleep all night. I'm glowing, guys. Yeah, I know I'm glowing. If you want to glow with me, stay tuned, subscribe, always watch my video, like, comment, and share this with your family. I love you all, guys. Off to the kitchen.
I've been out on the ocean, searching for something that ain't blue. And you got sick of the motion, hoping the fish would come to you. No, we never choose, always wishing for something to come true. What can you do when, baby, you know the love got you? Love got you, love got I've been out on the ocean, searching for something that ain't blue. And you got sick of the motion, hoping the fish would come to you. No, we never choose, always wishing for something to come true. What can you do when, baby, you know the love got you? Love got you, love got you. out on the ocean, searching for something that ain't blue. And you got sick of the motion, hoping the fish would come to you. No, we never choose, always wishing for something to come true. What can you do when, baby, you know the love got you, love got you, love got you.